SM Khan welcomes you. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 has been replaced by the Consumer Protection Act 2019. A notification has been issued by the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution on 15 July 2020. It is stated in the notification that the new Consumer Protection Act 2019 will come into force with effect from 20 July 2020. Accordingly, it comes into force on 20 July 2020. In this act, there are brought many changes. Some sections, provisions, clauses are added first time, or some sections, clauses or provisions are scrapped or removed from the new act. We present here some of the main features of this Consumer Protection Act 2019. Number 1, District Forum has been renamed as District Commission. Number 2, financial jurisdiction has raised from rupees 20 lakhs to rupees 1 crore for District Commission. Above rupees 1 crore to rupees 10 crores for State Commission, and above 10 crores for National Commission. Number 3, the Act aims at strengthening the right of the consumers by establishing authorities, imposing strict liabilities and penalties on product manufacturer, electronic service providers, misleading advertisers, and by providing additional settlement of consumer disputes through mediation. Number 4, mediation is given statutory status by way of introduction of section 74 in the Act. Number 5, complainant can institute a complaint within the territorial jurisdictions of the Commission where he resides or personally works for gain, in addition to what was provided for in the Consumer Protection Act 1986. Number 6, the limitation period for filing an appeal to State Commission is raised from 30 days to 45 days and retained power to condone the delay. Number 7, the opposite party needs to deposit 50% of the amount ordered by the District Commission before filing an appeal before State Commission. In Consumer Protection Act 1986, the ceiling was maximum of rupees 25,000 has been removed. Number 8, the scope of the Act has widened by introduction of various provisions including e-commerce within the ambit. Number 9, structural changes are provided in the consumer courts in number of members, honorarium and staff code. Also, procedural changes are provided, like to give notice with the different mode, and legal issues review power. Number 10, under this new act, Central government will set up consumer protection central consumer protection. Under this new act, central government will set up a central consumer protection authority to promote, protect and enforcement of the rights of the consumers. Section number 11. Any terms of a contract which is not fair to any consumer can be declared as null and void by the State Commission and National Commission. This will help many consumers who are victims of one-sided agreement or terms and conditions imposed by the seller. Number 12. The Act also empowers the district and state consumer courts to take better action against malpractices regarding transactions wherein consumer is affected. Now, consumer can get increased amount of compensation from sellers, while punishment for seller also been made more stringent. The compensation amount is higher to the point that the consumer can even receive up to rupees 1 lakh in case they are sold adulterated product, and seller may be jailed up to 6 months. And this is only where consumer has not been suffered or injured or harmed by the product. In case consumers are directly or indirectly suffered, injured or harmed by the product, the consumer can even receive up to rupees 5 lakhs in compensation, and seller will get a jail term which may be extended up to 7 years. In case of death of consumers, the compensation could raise up to rupees 10 lakhs and a seller could be sentenced imprisonment for a life. Number 12. A product liability action may be brought by a consumer or complainant against a product manufacturer or product service provider or product seller, as the case may be, for any harm caused to him on account of defective product. Number 14. Power of review has been conferred to District Commission, to State Commission and to National Commission under Section 40, under Section 50 and under Section 60 of the Act respectively. Number 15. A second appeal to National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission has been provided under subsection 3 of Section 51 if there is substantial question of law involved in the matter. So, these were some of the main features of the Consumer Protection Act 2019. For more details, you may click the link in the description box which provides official Gazette. Thank you very much.